Welcome back to the video. The very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up your Instagram. I'm going to open up my Instagram right here, just like so. Let's say, for instance, this particular post right here, I want to make some comment right here, and I want to use different language entirely. What we want to do here is to simply open the comment section. Having opened the comment section, this is going to pop up. Next thing you need to do is to click on this first square right here. Then take you right here. Next thing you want to do is to simply click on translate. Then this is going to pop up here. You can choose whatever language. So you have to make sure you set your detect language. So my detect language right here. So click on detect language right here. This is a language you understand. Okay, so I'm going to put my detect language to be English right here. So once I put it in English, then I'm going to exit from here, and I want to translate into another language right here. So I can decide to translate to something like this language right here. I can say, how I pair with this post. Okay, now once you type, it will automatically convert the message into your preferred translated language. Once you're done, what you need to do is to simply click on this check mark right here, and then for you to send a comment, simply click on here, and the comment will be sent into the comment section on Instagram. It's that simple. For more tutorial tips and tricks like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.